Take a ride in the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.